Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video I'm going to be doing something a little bit different, a little bit more cartoony than you've been used to seeing me do, and just a little bit of fun really. It was something I thought you might like. So all you need is a piece of paper and a pencil or pen or whatever. I'm going to be using a pen, and it was to draw a very simple cow face, because I know some of you like drawing cows. Like I say, this is a little bit less realistic, a bit more fun and cartoony, but I wanted to try and do it in 20 steps. I'm not sure if I've counted the steps right, and you might have to pull me up on this afterwards, but let's give it a go. So step number 1 is a nice big curve, very easy shape to draw. Number 2, a curve going in the opposite direction, and number 3, the same on the other side. Now with number 4 you want to make this quite a nice round shape, nice round curve, and try and do with number 5 the same on the other side and make them similar shapes. Number 6 and number 7. Maybe it should have been a little bit bigger, I'm not sure. So number 8 and 9, a curve again. So far all we're doing is drawing some slight curves, number 8 and 9. This one's slightly different, it needs to be a little bit longer for number 10. A straighter line, and number 11. And then a more interesting shape now, going to go up from that line, across, dip in slightly and down. You can pause this video at any stage if you want to get these lines right. So that one's just like a long wiggly S. And then this one you want to come slightly out, around and up. And now I've forgotten what number we're up to. You'll have to tell me afterwards, count them, I've probably gone wrong. I think we're on about number 14 now. A similar shaped line underneath that and joining back up. Number 15 is a teardrop shape, and the opposite effect on the other side. Number 17 will just mark the neck there, and number 18 will just mark the back. And I think I might have miscalculated this and not done enough lines. So the eyes, 19 and 20, and again I haven't done enough lines there, so we need to put another line over the top. So again these are just curves, that's all, and then we need to put the eyeballs in, and then we'll just do one more curve the other way up. And to finish I'm just going to give her some markings on her head. And you could elaborate on that, and you could go into much more detail, and you could start and put the pupil in the eyes, and maybe put some eyelashes on, because we know that cows have got those beautiful long eyelashes. You could put the insides of the ear on. You could pop her little ear tag in, which we know that cows have. And all that kind of thing you can add to this very cartoony cow, and you can come along with some nice bright colours and make her really bright and fun. And actually this would be a good one to do with children if you've got children at home at the minute that you're trying to keep entertained. So perhaps before you do it with the children, count those lines properly. There was more than 20 there, wasn't there? I said there was 20, but there was more. Okay, so have a little bit of fun with that, and perhaps try it with some different animals as well, seeing how many lines you can reduce them into. And most animals you'd probably be able to make in this cartoony fashion just using curved lines, because that's really all I've used there. Okay, so I hope you found that a little bit of fun, and I'll be back with you again soon with another video. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.